Is it going right now?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Alright, so I got my new backpack. It's pretty snazzy. It's got reflectors, so if I'm at night and I'm doing anything goes, like a car can see me and stuff. And I'm going to put my keys, because I'm the driver of the bunch, and my inhaler, and my phone, which isn't mine because I'm borrowing it from someone because I broke my other one. I don't know if you guys knew about that. I don't want to do that again. So, yeah, it's got a nice little... I don't know what this is, but that's weird. I don't know.
Oh, right there.
Maybe.
Kinder chocolate.
It's a different language, guys. Different language. No, it really is. It really is. Look. What the hell is this?
I think that's German.
Dude,
maybe
what?
Swedish. Oh, I don't
This
know.
is so
I got Adidas.
I think we can sell this on eBay.
Let's do it.
Alright, that's how we're going to get our money, because we actually need money. If you guys want to sponsor us, or like donate money or whatever, we need money.